Hello dear students, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. In this class we want to solve this question 129. Find remainder of x minus 1 whole to the power 100 plus x minus 2 whole to the power 200 divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. Solution: from dividing of polynomial we can write f px divided by q by gx it is equal to qx is quotient and rx is remainder. It is dividing, it is divisor, this is quotient and r of x is remainder. Actually p of x is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient qx plus rx. Here we want to find Rx. Px here, this is the dividing polynomial. It is x minus 1 whole to the power 100 plus x minus 2 whole to the power 200. It is equal to g of x divisor x square minus 3x plus 2 multiplied by qx plus we assume that rx here ax plus c. We assume that it is the remainder of this division. Now it is equal to, we factor this polynomial x minus 1 into x minus 2 into qx plus ax plus c. Put x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, this implies x minus 1 whole to the power 100. 1 minus 1 whole to the power 100 plus 1 minus 2 whole to the power 200. It is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 2 into qx plus a into 1 plus c. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 to the power 100, it is equal to 0. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power 200. It is equal to 1 minus 1, 0. 0 multiplied by 1 minus 2, it is equal to 0. This term will become 0. Plus, it is equal to a multiplied by 1, a plus c. This implies minus 1 a plus c is equal to minus 1 to the power 200, it is equal to 1. Now if we put x is equal to 2, this implies if we put 2 minus 1 whole to the power 100 plus 2 minus 2 whole to the power 200, it is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 into qx plus a into 2 plus c. This implies 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 to the power 100, it is equal to 1. It is equal to plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 to the power 200, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 1. 0 multiplied by qx is equal to 0. a multiplied by 2a plus c, or we can write 2a plus c is equal to 1. Now we got two equation, we make it as a system. 2a plus c is equal to 1, a plus c is equal to 1. We subtract these two equation, we want to find the value of a and c. 2a minus a is equal to a, plus c minus c cancelled, it is equal to plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. In fact, the value of a is equal to 0. If we put a in one of these equation, we will get c. Here we want to put a. 0 plus c is equal to 1. This implies c is equal to 1. Therefore, when px here, actually our x is equal to ax plus c, it is equal to a0, c is equal to 1. Therefore, our x is equal to remainder is equal to 1. It is the solution of this question. From dividing of this polynomial by over this polynomial, we will get the remainder is equal to 1, or of x is equal to 1. Dear student, if you like our channel, please subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you.